How to repost on TikTok. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to repost on TikTok, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what I'm going to do first is to go into my TikTok app. Perfectly, now when I'm on my TikTok app, then I'm going to show you a secret way on how you can repost, so keep watching. I'm just going to select a random video in here. So I'm going to choose this video right here to repost, and to do that I need to click on the three dots in the bottom right corner. Perfectly, now I need to swipe to the right, all the way to the right, and then click where it says other on the three dots again basically. Great, now we need to scroll down, and then we need to click where it says copy. Great, now we need to close TikTok, and then we need to go into Google. And in Google we need to search for SnapTik. So search for SnapTik. Perfectly. Now when you're in here, then you need to click where on the first result basically. Great. Now we need to paste the link that we just copied in here. And then click on download. Perfectly. Now the download process is finished. So what I need to do now is to click where it says download server 01. Perfectly, and now it's just going to download this video for me. I'm just going to click on download again. Great, now I can find my download in here, so I'm going to click on the video. Great, then I'm just going to save it to my mobile. Going to click on save video. Great, now I have saved this video to my mobile. So what I need to do now is to just go back to my TikTok app again. Now I'm going to click on the plus symbol in the bottom. Great. Now in here I'm just going to click where it says upload, and then I'm going to select the video that I just basically downloaded. Great. As you can see, I have this video right now and I can now post it to TikTok if I want to. So this is exactly how to repost on TikTok. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also don't forget to leave a like on this video, and please subscribe to my channel because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.